Welcome to DJ TV.
My correct people, we greet you now. Welcome now once again to this our channel. Update day like this, update, and this one are from Tribunal. But before we enter inside the update like this, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, you not waste time. You can rush now, make una go subscribe. I beg. And make una turn on the notification bell, so at any time we drop update like this, una go then notified. I beg. And our Facebook page, make una follow us, make una like, and make una share our videos. So that Facebook will recommend and give the whole words, so that they will see this our updates. Those are updates. Now we know. Now they know us. Now we dey carry waka. Right now, the update will carry come now about the issue they have for Tribunal. PDP lawyers now they don't inform, they don't come and say they don't talk about wetin play for Tribunal yesterday, and the matter if all is small their weakness wey they carry enter Tribunal yesterday wey be say na computer guru, as a technical, you know everything, and na oga kpatakpata for anything concern computer technology in Tribunal. So he don't bring out evidence and facts to take proof say nothing do Beavers. So those say INEC they talk say Beavers malfunction, Beavers fail, Beavers not free upload, Beavers do this one, that one, this one, that one. This one now don't confirm as it don't finish. It don't confirm and finish like this. Say nothing do Beavers. So now INEC use their hand by themselves, but they get the password and they by themselves malfunction Beavers, and they by themselves give Beavers another name, and INEC Beavers. I don't know for them. My people, make I not talk too much, because this matter is very technical. Don't say this mandate, so we don't know who get and everybody fight for the mandate. We don't know who get them. Anyway, make I play on this video now. We can watch and listen to what the PDP lawyers talk about waiting sup for inside court yesterday. And today they said that today they carry their last witness come. Say after today they go. I don't know how they take it after they go. Their matter don't. I don't know. But anyway, Mona just listen to this lawyer. He talk everything about yesterday matter and how today matter want to play for inside Tribunal. Make una watch this video from the beginning to the end. Not too long like that. Make una watch am and make una like, make una share, una do it. Make una watch the video.
I'm thinking of coming back. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I don't know, you hinted on Tuesday of running up your cases, bringing witnesses before Friday.
Yes.
Can you see me that number, given that just only one witness today?
I know as part of our strategy today, we called a very vital witness, a digital forensic expert. And you remember that this is the very first time we are having a technology-driven presidential elections in Nigeria. So the evidence that this witness has profiled today, a witness who examined the Beavers machines used, is very vital. So we are happy this witness has testified today. Tomorrow we'll bring our remaining witnesses and we'll close our case. So by tomorrow we'll tell you the next thing.
So we're expecting 3 witnesses tomorrow.
We won't tell you that, but when we come here tomorrow. Thank you very much.
My people, now don't see the video. Now you see PDP lawyers they talk. This matter, so if I no say they go do mago for inside this election, why they can't introduce technology for this election? Therefore, you leave and they don't before manually. Why they can't introduce technology? Because this technology now don't they draw their yansh, they come out, they disgrace them, they put them for tight corner. They not say they go do mago for this presidential election when it pass. So why they bring Beavers? Why they bring the other one they call, they say IRF portal Beaver? Why they bring all this technology? Why? Make una help me ask them. Why they bring all these things when they don't say for their mind they not go dey transparent? Because this thing they open their yash like this. Anyway, my people, now the update will carry on like this videos. Make una just una comment for the comment section. Make we know una views, una take on this whole matter, and make una don't forget to like and share. I beg, make una share this video so that Facebook self will recommend them for us, so that everybody will see and will know the updates when they have for inside Nigeria for this presidential election tribunal. Una do well. See you in our next video. Bye. DJ